Important news for anyone thinking of getting into Agri drone operations. It's a beautiful sunny day on Friday the 9th of May. 2 days ago, DEFRA released details of the Farming Equipment and Technology Fund for 2025. This is known as the FETF 2025. And for the second year running, the big XAG P100 Pro drone is listed in the approved items for funding in the productivity section. This year, the list of supported items has been cut back considerably to only 66, but the P100 Pro still features as one of the top 10 highest scoring items. This is the clearest indication yet that the UK government is supporting the adoption of drones in the farming sector. For those unfamiliar with the FETF, this is a competition-based grant scheme funded to the tune of 30 million by DEFRA. All the supported items are given a score out of 100, which relates to their impact on productivity, with the highest scoring applications getting funding priority. With the P100 Pro score of 74, funding is highly likely. In fact, last year, all the applications for our drones were approved. This year, DEFRA are offering to fund 40% of the cost of the drone, with a funding capped at £14,476. But remember, this is a retrospective grant. You need to have paid for your drone before you can claim the 40% refund. That's important to bear in mind. The fund opens for applications on the 29th of May and closes 6 weeks later on the 10th of July. Last year, FETF applications wiped out our entire drone stock, and I expect demand to be way higher this year, because this is the year that a range of plant protection products will begin to be authorised for drone application. How do I know this? Because we're working on a weekly basis with the HSE and CRD to make it happen. We've got support from the government, from DEFRA, from the CAA, and critically from the big agri-chem manufacturers. So make no mistake, PPPs are coming to XAG drones much sooner than anyone dared think. I should point out that for the foreseeable future, PPPs will only be approved for XAG drones, as they are the only ones with UK peer-reviewed regulatory standard spray drift data to support the PPP spraying. If you'd like to be part of this exciting agricultural drone revolution, you'll need to act quickly. Drone stock and, importantly, training slots are limited. The best course of action would be to contact one of our resellers, Manterra or Quadrotor Services, and I'll put links in the notes below. Naturally, you're welcome to contact the Auto Spray team to get a better handle on where the agri drone market is now and where it's heading. I suspect that this is quite likely to be the only FETF round of funding this year, so if you're thinking about moving into agri drone operations, this might be the right time. Right across the UK, XAG Agri drones have completed thousands of commercial operations in agriculture, horticulture and forestry, and we are setting the standards for this exciting new sector. If you'd like to join the team, get in touch.